Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a broccoli plant from seed. So here we've got some Valley Green broccoli. Now this is the heirloom variety sprouting. If you look at the back, you can see all of the information you need to know. So here we've got planting depth of about 1/4 inch. That means it's 1/4 inch into the soil. Seed spacing of 1 inch. Spacing between rows 2 to 3 feet, days to germination 10, thinning and spacing and days to maturity is 58 to 90. So that's important. You want to follow these because this has been tried and tested and proven to work. So if it doesn't work for you, then you may have a bad seed. That's why you plant more than one. However, in this video, we're only going to plant one because it is for demonstration purposes. So the first thing you want to do is get some seed starting mix. You can take that, and I'm going to put them in these little Dixie cups. Now another thing you could do, which I would recommend, is planting them in egg cartons, because guess what? It's a lot easier to plant more than one at a time when you're planting them in egg cartons. It's just something that you can really do. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek. This is some planted in egg cartons starting out. So that's what it looks like, one in each cell, and then they sprout. So you can do that. But again, for the purposes of this video, we are planting them in the seed pods itself. Here's another egg carton one. This is, like you said, the sprouting, a little more sprouted there. This was planted about 1 month ago today. So this is in 1 month. That's about what it should look like. All right, so let's continue on with what we're doing here. We got some dirt in the cup. You can see there, a little dirt, about half full. Then we're going to get some seeds. Okay, we're only going to, we only need one. You can see there are a bunch of tiny little buggers there. Okay, I got two. Oh, and it went. It's on the floor maybe. Okay, well, we're going to try that again. There it is, one seed. Okay, don't lose that little guy. So again, one seed, and follow the depth. It's 1/4 inch depth. Spacing between seeds 1 inch. So since this isn't any bigger, we're just going to put one in there in the middle, and then put a little dirt on top of it, a little soil on top of it. So here we go. Make sure we've got about 1/4 inch. All right, so we want 1/4 inch. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take this, rather than packing it with my finger, I'm just going to pack it like this. This is also going to send the seed downward a little bit more. Once you have it in there, now it's very important to do a couple of things. You need to water it. So just a little water. We don't need to soak it, because what we're going to do next is very important. We're going to take some Saran Wrap or some cling wrap, put it over the top, just like this, and then a rubber band around it. So now what we've done is created a greenhouse for this broccoli plant. This is going to have light come in. That's going to heat up the soil. The seed is going to sprout and germinate. As soon as the seed gets big enough where it's touching or crowding this Saran Wrap, then we can remove the Saran Wrap and allow the plant to get harder and the stalk to harden, etc. And then eventually transplant it into an outdoor or an indoor garden, whichever you prefer. But that's the start. That's what we're going to do. Now I also recommend, I have a little Sharpie here. On the very bottom, you can write the date and what you put in the cup. So we could write broccoli and then the date on the bottom, so that you can check back in 10 to 12 days and see if it has indeed sprouted. Remember the plants I showed you a little bit ago, they were about a month old, so they were only a few inches long. Don't expect it to happen really quickly, because it's 58 to 90 days maturity. So you want to get these in these little starts about a month or two before you plan to head outside. So that is it. That is how you can start your very own broccoli indoors rather than having to buy the plants. You can start them from seed, save a little money, and have a little fun while you're at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also like and share this video to help others as well.